Welcome students on behalf of Santisar Singh Ji Memorial Public School. Today we are going to start our chapter class 9th, chapter 11, work and energy. These topics we will cover in this video. Now first of all, you must know the learning outcomes which you will learn from this lesson. At the end of the lesson, all the students will be able to show their understanding of physics concept of work. They will correctly identify work from the given situations. They will recall and show understanding of the formula to calculate the work done. They will solve the related problems involving the work. Now actually what does work mean to you? ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਵੀ work done ਹੁੰਦਾ? For example, lifting the weights, walking with the big bag of grocery in your hand, then completing your homework, assignment. This is according to us work done. But next, today we will do the physics concept of work. Physics के मुताबिक work done किया. Work is done only when a constant force applied on object causes the object to move in the same direction as the force is applied. Now look at the figure. There is one weight which when we will it is kept on the floor. When you will apply some certain constant force, it will move in some direction. ठीक है, it will displace some distance. So according to physics, work is done when you push a heavy shopping trolley for 10 meters. If you lift your school bag upward by 1 meter, means beta distance we किन्ना displace होया, that is mainly work done किया, force apply कीती and the distance displaced by object. According to physics, work done formula is force into distance moved in the direction of force. Work done the formula F cross S, F into S. Now the scientists have given different SI units, standard international units ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ work ਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. SI unit of work is joules. Joules, he was a scientist who has given this unit. Now 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. Means ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ force apply ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ 1 Newton and the object move the distance of 1 meter. That is defined as 1 joules. Now more examples. You have to solve the numerical based on this formula. Formula we know W is equal to F into S. Now for example, you are helping to push your mother's heavy shopping cart with a force of 50 Newton for 200 meter. Now you have to calculate the work done. Now in numericals, first of all, you will write the formula. Work done is equal to force into distance. Then what is given, that you have to write. Force is given, 50 Newton is the unit of force and 200 meter is the distance. And you know work done is equal to force into distance. So you will be able to calculate. Mathematical calculations are there now. 50 into 200. 50 into 200 you will multiply. It will come answer as 10,000 joules. We can convert into kilojoules also. The more bigger unit. 1 joule is equal to 1000 kilojoules. Now in this way you will be able to do the numerical based on this formula. Now our next concept is energy. What is energy? Energy is the ability or capacity to do any work. बेटा हुन work करने ਲਈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ energy ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ, and energy we get from the food you eat. The food we eat give us the energy, and without energy we also can't work. So there in the nature also there are so many forms of energies like kinetic energy, potential energy, electric energy, solar energy, chemical, nuclear. And in the next video we will learn about the different forms of the energy and how we can transform them with their definitions also. Now SI unit of energy is same as the work done. It is joules. It is denoted by capital G. Thanks for watching. That's all. In our next topic we will continue the concept of energy.